You need to see this. YouTube is one of the most popular social media websites in the world, with over 2.6 billion users and billions of hours of video watched every day. But how does YouTube decide what videos to show you when you visit the site? Is there a secret formula that determines what you see on your homepage, your recommendations, and your search results? And more importantly, can you use this knowledge to get more views, likes, and subscribers for your own videos? The answer is not so simple. YouTube's algorithm is a complex and mysterious beast that uses machine learning to suggest videos that it thinks you will like, based on your watch history, preferences, and behavior. But it also takes into account other factors such as the popularity, relevance, and quality of the videos, as well as the feedback from other users. And it constantly changes and adapts to keep up with the trends, preferences, and needs of its audience. In this video, I will explain how the YouTube algorithm works in 2023 based on the information available from YouTube itself and from other sources. I will also give you some tips on how to optimize your videos for the algorithm and get more exposure on the platform, so make sure to watch until the end. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get started. First, let's take a brief look at the history of the YouTube algorithm and how it has evolved over the years. YouTube was created in 2005 by 3 former PayPal employees who wanted to create a video sharing website. Back then, YouTube's algorithm was very simple. It recommended videos that had the most views or clicks. This led to a lot of clickbait titles and thumbnails that tricked people into watching videos that were not what they expected or wanted. As a result, many users felt frustrated, annoyed, or unsatisfied with their experience. In 2012, YouTube realized that views and clicks were not enough to measure the quality and value of a video. It decided to change its algorithm to focus on watch time instead, how long people watched a video and how much time they spent on the platform overall. The idea was that if people watched a video for longer, it meant that they found it interesting, valuable, or entertaining. This was a game changer for YouTube creators who had to adjust their content and strategies to keep their viewers engaged and hooked. However, watch time alone was not perfect either. It did not account for other factors that could affect a user's satisfaction or enjoyment of a video, such as relevance, quality, diversity, or feedback. For example, a user might watch a long video about a topic they don't care about just because they clicked on it by accident or out of curiosity. Or they might watch a short video that is relevant and high quality, but leave negative feedback because they disagree with it or find it offensive. That's why in 2016, YouTube introduced another major change to its algorithm: machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. In other words, YouTube's algorithm can now analyze a user's watch history, preferences, behavior, and feedback, as well as the characteristics of each video such as title, tags, description, content, and suggest videos that it thinks are most likely to match their interests and needs. But how does machine learning work exactly? And what are the factors that influence YouTube's algorithm in 2023? Let's discuss that now. YouTube's algorithm is not a single entity, but rather a collection of different systems that work together to deliver personalized recommendations to each user. These systems include the homepage. This is where you see videos that YouTube thinks you might be interested in based on your watch history and preferences. It also shows you videos that are new and popular on YouTube. The suggested videos. These are the videos that appear next to or below the video you are watching. They are based on your current video and your watch history. The search results. These are the videos that appear when you type something in the search bar. They are based on relevance, how well they match your query, engagement, how much people watch them, and quality, how well they meet YouTube standards. The subscriptions feed. This is where you see videos from channels that you have subscribed to. You can also turn on notifications to get alerts when they upload new videos. The trending page. This is where you see videos that are popular and viral on YouTube and across the web. They are based on views, likes, comments, shares, and other factors. The shorts page. This is where you see short-form videos up to 60 seconds that are made with YouTube's Shorts camera or uploaded as vertical videos. They are based on your watch history, preferences, and feedback. Each of these systems has its own algorithm that uses machine learning to suggest videos to you, but they also share some common factors that influence their decisions. These factors include your watch history. This is the most important factor that YouTube's algorithm considers. It tracks what videos you watch, how long you watch them, what topics you watch, and what channels you watch. It then uses this information to learn about your interests, preferences, and needs, and to suggest videos that are similar or related to what you have watched before. Your feedback. This is another important factor that YouTube's algorithm takes into account. It includes your likes, dislikes, comments, shares, subscriptions, and other actions that you take on the platform. It also includes your implicit feedback, such as skipping a video, clicking away from a video, or turning off notifications. YouTube uses this feedback to understand what you like and don't like, and to adjust its recommendations accordingly. Your context. This is a factor that YouTube's algorithm considers to make its recommendations more relevant and timely for you. It includes your location, language, device, time of day, and other factors that might affect what you want to watch at a given moment. For example, if you are in India, YouTube might suggest videos in Hindi or related to India. Or if you're on your phone at night, YouTube might suggest shorter or more relaxing videos. The video quality. This is a factor that YouTube's algorithm uses to measure the technical and creative quality of a video. It includes factors such as resolution, audio quality, editing, lighting, sound effects, music, captions, thumbnails, titles, tags, descriptions, and more. YouTube uses these factors to rank videos based on how well they meet its standards and guidelines. The video performance. This is a factor that YouTube's algorithm uses to measure the popularity and engagement of a video. It includes factors such as views, watch time, watch percentage, how much of a video people watch, likes, comments, shares, subscribers gained or lost, and more. YouTube uses these factors to rank videos based on how much people watch them and interact with them. These are some of the main factors that influence YouTube's algorithm in 2023, but they are not the only ones. YouTube also considers other factors that are not publicly disclosed or known, such as user surveys or experiments to improve its recommendations and user experience. So now that we know how the YouTube algorithm works in 2023, how can we use this knowledge to optimize our videos for the algorithm and get more exposure on the platform? Here are 7 tips to rank higher on YouTube in 2023. Number 1, know your audience. The first and most important tip is to know who your target audience is and what they want to watch. You can use tools such as YouTube, Analytics, or Google Trends to find out what topics are popular or trending in your niche or among your viewers. You can also use surveys or polls to ask your viewers directly what they want to see from you. Then create videos that match their interests and needs. Number 2, optimize your metadata. This is the information that describes your video for the algorithm and for the viewers. This includes your title, which should be clear, catchy, and relevant, your description, which should be informative, engaging, and include keywords, your tags, which should be specific and relevant, your thumbnail, which should be eye-catching and representative of your video, and your captions, which should be accurate and complete. These metadata help the algorithm understand what your video is about and rank it accordingly. They also help the viewers decide whether to click on your video or not. Number 3, create high-quality content that meets YouTube's standards and guidelines. This means making sure that your video has good resolution, at least 1080p, good audio quality, clear and balanced, good editing, smooth transitions and effects, good lighting, bright and natural, good sound effects and music appropriate and not too loud, good captions accurate and complete, and good thumbnails eye-catching and representative. These factors help the algorithm measure the quality of your video and rank it accordingly. They also help the viewers enjoy your video more. Number 4, increase your watch time by keeping your viewers engaged and hooked throughout your video. This means making sure that your video has a strong hook, a compelling introduction that tells them what the video is about and why they should watch it, a clear structure with headings, transitions, and summaries that guide them through the main points, and a strong conclusion that wraps up the video and gives them a call to action. You can also use techniques such as storytelling, humor, emotion, curiosity, suspense, or surprise to keep your viewers interested and entertained. Number 5, optimize your video length based on your topic, audience, and goal. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to how long your videos should be, as different types of videos may require different lengths. For example, a tutorial video may need more time to explain the steps, while a comedy sketch may need less time to deliver the punchline. However, a general rule of thumb is to make your videos as long as they need to be to cover your topic thoroughly and concisely, but not longer than they have to be to avoid boring or losing your viewers. You can use tools such as YouTube Analytics or TubeBuddy to find out the optimal video length for your niche or audience. Number 6, encourage viewer interaction by asking them to like, comment, share, subscribe, or click on your other videos. This not only helps you get more feedback from your viewers, but also signals to the algorithm that your video is engaging and valuable. You can also interact with your viewers by replying to their comments, asking them questions, creating polls, hosting live streams, or creating community posts. This helps you build a loyal fan base that will watch more of your videos and increase your watch time. Number 7, create playlists that group your videos by topic, theme, or series. This makes it easier for your viewers to find and watch more of your videos without having to search for them. It also helps the algorithm suggest more of your videos to your viewers based on their watch history. You can create playlists manually or automatically using TubeBuddy's Playlist Actions feature. You can also add catchy titles and descriptions to your playlists to attract more viewers. These are some of the tips that can help you increase your watch time on YouTube in 2023. But remember, these tips are not magic bullets that will guarantee you success overnight. You still need to create content that is unique, interesting, and valuable for your audience. And you need to be consistent, patient, and persistent in your efforts. So don't give up on your YouTube dreams just yet. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep improving. And soon enough, you will reach 4,000 hours of watch time and beyond. I personally learned a lot from compiling this information, and I hope you found it useful too. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the channel's latest uploads. YouTube is my passion, and I share it with you through my content. I appreciate your support and feedback. See you in the next one.